To AI or not to AI? Hi, my name is Rachel and I'm a senior product designer, and today we're going to be talking about the AI revolution. How exactly do we navigate this AI revolution? If you're a product designer, a UI UX designer, whatever your title might be, if you're currently in the design industry or even in the tech industry as a whole, this is probably a question that's crossed your mind so many times. The obvious answer: of course, to AI. It is not AI that is going to take your job. It is a designer who knows how to use AI that is going to take your job. Yeah. I've heard that so many times, and I'm already on Team AI, so stop trying to convince me. But here is the thing: there is a but, a very big but. How do we as designers navigate this AI revolution? It's like every single week there is a new tool, and my friends are sending me messages in my DM saying, "Have you seen this new tool?" Or Twitter seeing a demo of some new AI tool, or somewhere on TikTok or so on Instagram, or even LinkedIn. There's just so much going on, and all of these tools promise so many different things: how to ideate, how to do wireframes for you, how to do research for you. Some even promise how to cook for you. Okay, I'm just kidding, but you get the point. And the funny part is, most of them are not even there yet, but they promise so many things that it's starting to make me feel like I can't keep up. There is so much noise out there, and it's giving lost, overstimulated, FOMO. What exactly am I missing out on? Because I want to try out all of these new tools as well. So the question really is, how exactly do we navigate this AI revolution? I ask again. There is so much hype, so much tools, so much noise, and somehow I still feel stuck. And if you're a designer like myself trying to make a sense of all that is going on, welcome to the club. Let me know in the comments what you think about this as well. And what's even more confusing is the state of the industry right now. The industry is contradicting itself. Like when you see articles like this, like ChatGPT is eroding the way we think, and you're like, oh my god, should I stop using ChatGPT? Should I continue using ChatGPT? But wait for it. There was this tweet earlier on this year by Toby, who is the CEO of Shopify, about how AI is the current baseline and how everyone needs to know how to use AI in their company. And my company also sent me a similar email as well about how we need to learn how to use AI. And teams are even giving people tools to learn how to use AI better. Also, the industry is also changing. Duolingo dropped their UX title for product experience, and Shopify also dropped UX as a whole for just design. If you are a designer and you design anything, it is just design, and you are just a designer. And to add it all, the market is still a mess. Like, people are still searching for jobs. The job market is still a mess. The World Economic Forum Future of Jobs Report 2025 says UI UX jobs are still one of the fastest rising jobs from now to, I think, 2030. But with all of these changes, it's also giving a rise to certain job opportunities. Like, have you seen a rise of Gen AI jobs description? And also, there is going to be a rise of design founders as well. And this is where you start to ask yourself, so we should no longer be specialists, we should now be generalists or unicorns. At this point, I don't even know which I am again. I might as well just be a button. It is also going to give a rise to generalism in the industry. So that means there is going to be a new era of things. It is not just Figma files and design system. It's a whole designing what the AI revolution is going to look like. Just like when the internet was new, this is another revolution that we are facing, and we need to adapt. But where exactly does that leave us as designers? Because there's just so much going on. Where do we start? Even Figma is in on it with the release of the Figma AI, which is a tool that lets you use AI and prompt to design right inside Figma. And these tools are mind-blowing, no doubt. My friend created a game using Figma Make, and I absolutely love it, and I loved what he did with it. So where does that leave us as designers? Learn to use AI, play with it, build with it. There is this awesome video by this designer called Pavan where he compared so many design tools, like prompt to design tools, I absolutely recommend that video, and I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box. If you're unsure of where to start, pick a tool, prompt it, and just get started. And this is a note to myself as well. We as designers can do so much more right now. We can build our own passion project. And this is also going to give a rise to design founders, because we can reclaim our curiosity. We can build whatever we think about without having to wait for development. And we can actually just play around with stuff more outside of our design systems at work, and actually work on all of those passion projects we always wanted to work on. Here are a few tools I recommend checking out: Figma Make, Lovable, Bolt. I'm going to leave a link to more tools in the description. If you're like myself and you're overwhelmed with everything that is going on, I'm sort of keeping like a running list where I list all of these different tools and what they do. And I'll probably add in a comment sometime in the future. But this is just to keep me in check about everything that is going on in the industry, just to be sure that I'm aware of. So I'll leave a link to it in the description box. And if you're like myself, also trying to figure things out, let me know what you're doing currently. How are you curious about AI? What are you doing with AI? I'm curious to know what designers are doing with AI currently. Let me know in the comments as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.